When someone asks me, should I post personal stuff on my business page? My response to them is always this. Let's say that you decide to follow the Houston Astros on Instagram. When you follow that account, you are following that account because you want to see all things Houston Astros. Now, if you really wanted to go follow the players of the Houston Astros, then you go to their individual personal page where you'll learn more about the player, about the player's life, about the player's family, where they vacation, what food they're eating if they decide to share that. And you get a really up close look at their personal life because you chose to follow that. But as far as the business page, the Astros page, we're following it because we want to follow the Houston Astros and nothing else outside of that. So when it comes to your business page, let's only focus on the real estate stuff. People are following you because they're trying to learn more about the area that you service in for the type of buyer or seller or investor that you're specifically trying to help. And then if they really want to dive into the type of food that you're eating or your dog or what your kids did after school today, then they'll go follow your personal stuff. But then it comes down to, well, I don't have time to manage both. Well, then pick one. Pick the business one, the one that's actually going to allow you to scale and grow your brand.